Beginners, get ready to kickstart your drumming into high gear. What is up everyone, CJ here, hope you're all doing well. Let's be honest, when you start drumming, you just want to play. You want to play to songs and you want to have fun behind the drum set. You don't want to focus on technique, timing, or boring rudiments. That can come later. So in this video, I'm going to show you 10 great drum grooves that can really kickstart your drumming. And don't worry if you can't read music yet. Just follow my steps in this video and you'll be fine. The awesome thing about these grooves is that they're pretty simple, so focus on practicing and you'll learn them pretty quickly. And they cover a mass amount of genres, so after watching this video, you'll be able to play a lot of different songs. Before we get started, if you become a channel member, you can download everything from this lesson via the link in the members community tab. So if you want the transcripts and the audio tracks from this lesson to practice to, consider joining the channel membership. Now, we've got 10 grooves to go through, so let's start with groove number 1. This is called the money groove for a reason, because no matter how advanced you become behind the drums or how many chops you learn how to play, this is the groove that's going to pay the bills. And funny enough, this is usually the very first groove most drummers learn how to play. You play eighth notes on the hi-hat, the bass drum plays on beat 1 and 3, and the snare drum backbeat falls on 2 and 4. When you count this groove, you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. I always recommend this to beginner drummers, and that is to count out loud when you're practicing. But if it's too tough in the beginning, you don't have to. Let's try it at a slow tempo and then gradually speed it up. All right, on to groove number 2. This is called 4 on the floor, and this groove is almost exactly the same as the money groove, but in this one you play the bass drum on every quarter note beat. This groove is surprisingly tough to play really tight, so don't be surprised if you accidentally flam the snare and bass drum on beat 2 and 4. All right guys, groove number 3. This groove is commonly known as the rock groove, and if you've heard the song We Will Rock You by the band Queen, you know why. You play eighth notes on the hi-hat, and now the bass drum plays on beat 1 and 3 and the snare drum backbeat plays on 2 and 4. Let's go. This groove will take you right back to the 70s. It's the exact same foundation as the money groove, but now you play an open hi-hat on the end of every beat. You just gotta make sure to close the hi-hat on all the downbeats. If you've never played this before, it can be deceptively difficult to try it for the first time. So let's try it out at a slow tempo at first and gradually speed it up. This next groove is frequently heard in a lot of songs, especially older pop songs, so that's why it's commonly known as the classic pop groove. You basically take the money groove, and then you take the bass drum on beat 3 and move it to the end of 3 instead. Alright guys, let's try it out. Okay, you know the classic pop groove, now let's learn the more modern version. Alright, this groove can be heard in countless modern pop songs. As usual, the hi-hat plays eighth notes. The bass drum is the busy part, because now you're playing on beat 1, the of 1, the end of 2, and the end of 3. Let's try it slowly at first and gradually speed it up. To all of you weirdos out there, no, it's not that groove. You need to start reevaluating some stuff in your life. This is where things start to get exciting. This is the two-handed 16th note groove, and you can essentially play any bass drum pattern you want. If you want to start off simple, this groove plays the bass drum on beat 1 and beat 3 and. The hi-hat plays alternating 16th notes, and of course you move your right hand to the snare drum for the backbeat on 2 and 4. When you count 16th notes, you go 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1. Let's try it out. Before we continue, I just want to say thanks to all of you out there for watching. If you want to support my channel, hit the like button and subscribe. And of course, feel free to share this with a drummer friend. We're sticking with two-handed 16th notes because this groove is called the train groove. This is often heard in classic country songs and it's very up-tempo. The bass drum plays on every quarter note beat. You play soft 16th notes on the snare drum, and the snare drum backbeat is now played on the upbeat, the ands of every beat. This gives the groove what we call double time feel. And when you count this, you go 1 E and a, 2 E and a, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, 1. Let's try it out slowly and gradually speed it up. The shuffle is what we call a swung groove because the underlying subdivision is now eighth note triplets. So for example, when you count eighth notes, you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? Well, now we're playing eighth note triplets, you go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. In this case, you play the hi-hat on the first and last triplet of every beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This is the foundation of the shuffle. The bass drum plays on beat 1 and 3, and the snare drum plays on beat 2 and 4. So let's try it out slowly and then gradually speed it up. Once you've learned the shuffle, you can try different patterns with the bass drum as well. All right, you guys, last groove. For some of you, this might be the trickiest groove on this list, because now we're playing with a lot of dynamics. The bass drum plays on beat 1 and beat 3 and the snare drum backbeat is on 2 and 4, but you now also play what we call ghost notes on the of 2, the E of 3, and the of 4. Ghost notes are soft taps on the snare drum, so you don't want to play like this. Alright my friends, that's gonna do it for this lesson. I hope this video helps you kickstart your drumming journey with a solid foundation of different grooves. And remember, Rome wasn't built in one day, so take some time practicing each of these grooves. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated whenever I release a new video. If you want to check out some really cool beginner drum fills that works great with some of these grooves, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.